Good morning or afternoon by the time I post this. Currently in Grayson's nursery, and it's so funny being in here and saying his name because I actually finally ordered a name sign to go right there because like I have one in Kennedy's room. So in any case, I'm excited about that. But I wanted to hop on here really quick because as y'all know, this is my second baby, second time around nursing. So I wanted to share some things that I found that really helped me, like when I had Kennedy, and some things that I'll be doing now, you know, just to help myself out. So first off, I really like these body armor. I guess this is the light one, but this is my favorite flavor. Basically, this is just a Gatorade, but it's got coconut water in it. So I like to drink 1 to 2 of these a day. Realistically 1, but ideally 2. So, and these, I'm trying to think, Target's got them, Walmart has them, you can get them anywhere. So yeah, I like to usually drink 1 of these a day. Second tip that I have for y'all, and last time around I actually had like a membership, and like I would get these like automatically like shipped to me every 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, twice a month. It's these Milky Mama treats. So I like the brownies and the regular oatmeal cookies. I don't do oatmeal raisin. I don't. And so I'll usually have 1 of each of these a day. And I mean, Target also does sell like cookies too, like a different brand. I've never tried them though, so I don't know how they are, but Target does have a couple others too, if you wanted to try those. But these for me, it could be in my head, or they could really help. I don't know, but I feel like they helped me last time. So I had a feeling that Grayson was coming early, and so I actually placed this order like a few days before I had him, and it ended up working out because they arrived yesterday, so it was perfect. I didn't bring any up here because I didn't have a hand, but y'all know, like I literally have like 150 videos of me postpartum last time, like making my morning coffee. So I really feel like doing oat milk in my coffee or a protein shake really made a difference for me, at least. So there's a few brands of oat milk that I like, but I know Oatly is one that's really good. I have right now, I have Califia Farms, which is like a light blue bottle. There's another one too, I think it's Planet Oat. It comes in a tan bottle, but those are the ones my grocery store has, and those are all really good. So that's another tip. Last tip is obviously get a cup that you like. So this is that like leak proof one by Brewmate, and I have a couple of these. Obviously I have my Stanleys, my Simple Moderns, but yeah, just a cup that you like, because then like you're more likely to stay hydrated. So what was I gonna say? Is pregnancy brain a thing afterwards? Anyways, I hope that some of this maybe helped somebody, because I know after I had Kennedy, I like had so many questions and I didn't know like what would really help me. So just sharing. This video is probably not for everyone, but I figured that I would make it and show you guys. All right, I will talk to you later. I literally have like 900 bananas that all went ripe at the same time, so I'm gonna go make something. Bye.